Good morning. We've been looking for the lions because we heard them roaring most of the night. I think they're somewhere around here, but we haven't managed to pick them up yet. So we stopped for a bit now because the light is so beautiful, and we're just filming some wildebeest out on the plains and some impala as well. And the impala are running this side. Not away from a predator, but enjoy. So let's go film the joyous impalas.
We've just found the two males from the Marsh Pride near Rhino Flay. Unfortunately, they're not doing much, so we're just going to hang around for a while, see if they do anything. Robert?
So the sun has hit this lion, so he is going to at some point get up. Maybe now. He's going to get up and he's going to walk 3 meters into the deeper shade, and then he's going to plop down again, and my plan is to capture that in 8K 100 frames per second glory. I'm not sure why though, but I'm gonna do it. There he goes. You're not going to close that window, Andy?
Oh no.
Totally cool with lions, eh?
Of course, dude.
Just a lion.
It's just the elephants I'm scared of.
We're driving straight through the middle of the marsh now. It's pretty dry at the moment, but the grass is really high in places. The lions went flat, and they're probably going to be sleeping all day long now. So we're going to head down and check out Marabou Pan. There'll probably be elephants now that it's getting warm, get some shots of them. Andy's keen to sort of challenge his irrational fear of elephants.
Rob,
Andy?
you've got a fear of being poked in the eye while you're sleeping.
I do. I've got a very rational fear of eye poking. I can't sleep on my back because unless I have one of those aeroplane masks for fear of somebody coming in the night and jabbing me in the eyes.
Sounds pretty irrational to me.
It's very rational, Andy. One doesn't want to ever leave one's eyes unprotected. So when they're closed, they must be protected. I usually sleep with my hand over my face like this, protecting the eyes. Reason is mostly my wife. She likes to poke me in the eyes while I'm sleeping. And then I think Andy would also, if he got the opportunity, once I'm asleep, he's going to come with the 2 fingers like this. But I'll be ready, and I'll have the hand like this, and he'll gonk, won't get him in. and then we'll see who's irrational. We just filmed the scene where we're doing an Instagram reel, and it's kind of like those ones where you see the I'm just crying, it's so funny. It's kind of one of those ones where you see the photographer lift up the camera and then it cuts to all the pretty shots, and we're going to do that, but after I lift up my camera it's going to cut to Andy. Oh no, I can't. Oh, look at that. Look at him go. Oh yeah, it's too much.
Should have gone like this.
That was like take number 8. Oh my dear. Okay.
Sorted.
All right. All right, we are back at Savuti campsite, and we have to move from our current campsite, RSV3, to CV6, which is right here, and it comes with a rather large elephant in it. He's standing there next to our tree with his head leaning against the tree, and his eyes are kind of drooping. He's exhausted. I don't think he's going anywhere soon. Andy, where do you think we're going to put our tent? It kind of needs to go where the elephant is, eh?
Yes.
So because as he's got the good shade, like if the tent goes over there, just this side of the elephant, with the kitchen facing towards the braai area. Yeah? Agreed?
Yes.
All right, so when we come back, I've got to go round there and come out there by the elephant and then pull the trailer in just that area. So yeah, let's go back now and pick up the trailer, and then we'll come back here. What do you think?
I think it's a terrible idea. I think we should wait.
Well, we're not going to move this elephant. We'll wait for him to move. He's very big.
He is rather large.
So we'll wait, but maybe he'll get bored or thirsty or something. Let's see what happens.
Okay. So Rob's decided that this is a good idea. I'm not convinced. There are quite a few trees on the way and I'm a bit concerned about the clearance. But more concerning is the giant elephant that is perched right next to the tree where our trailer needs to be. So, I don't know, maybe he should do it by himself. What do you think?
Oh well.
Kids, Ava, Aiden, don't worry, it's gonna be fine.
Daddy loves you. Okay, now we're going to see if our new friend the elephant is still here. Maybe he's gone, Andy. He's still there. So my plan is I'm going to go into the shade here, and then I don't know what to do, because the problem is I've got like media to copy. We've got to set up camp. Oh, look at him, look at the size of him. He's just massive. So I'm going to stop. That branch won't. I'm going to stop right here. His penis touches the ground.
Okay.
Look at this, people.
Wrong.
Oh, it's interesting. I want to see it. Look at it.
Can I go back to the other campsite where you do this?
Look at the size of his wheeler. You're not impressed?
It's going to kill you.
He's not moving. We could be here a while. What do you think of the situation? Is it bad?
Real bad. Real bad.
It's like nearly 2 p.m. Should we have coffee?
Okay.
Right here.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Let's turn off the car and have coffee and just think about things. You agree?
Maybe have a nap.
A little rest. Wait for the early. Yeah, that might be the only way to do this. He looks so peaceful. I don't feel like disturbing him. Wait. I think he's thinking of moving. He's retracting his penis.
Can't take you anywhere.
In preparation of he's gonna run.
Not funny, Roy.
Will you make me a coffee, please, Andy?
Now there's a hornet in the car.
It just gets worse. We're sitting here, Andy, at least I'm getting coffee. Andy's making coffee, keeping a very close eye on that elephant. Elephant's doing absolutely nothing.
Guys and girls, just so you know, this GoPro makes it look like it's really far away. It's literally 9 meters.
Yeah, probably, I would say. Yeah, it looks far away, but it's right there. How's my coffee coming?
It's really, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Why, thank you, Andrew. Alright, take a big wee in our campsite. Okay, I'm gonna try and get out of this. Gonna go away now. There we go. Good boy. This elephant is very relaxed. He's about 6 meters away. He's gonna go through there. I'm sure he'll move off just now. Still quite close. Almost grab his tail. He's scratching his butt against the tree. We now at least have the trailer in the correct position for later, so we can unhitch it, and it means we don't have to move it again later. The problem is the elephant's right here. But I think when he's not looking, I'm going to jump out here, sneak around the front of the car, and then I'm going to unhitch the trailer. Then Andy's going to climb over to my seat, and we're going to drive off and go do our afternoon drive, and then when we come back, elephant will be gone, set up camp, take 10 minutes. Andy, is it a plan? It's a good plan. Like
I'm not sure if it's a good plan, but it's a plan.
It is a plan. I don't think it's
just don't make it obvious that he can see you.
I don't want him to get a fright. I'd rather I'm obvious and loud about things. Okay, should I be sneaky?
Oh, I don't know.
I'll be sneaky. Okay. Happy now.
Can we go?
We can go. What a job. We could probably have literally driven into camp, making all the noise in the world, set up camp right next to that elephant, and he wouldn't have even moved. He's totally relaxed. But I'm not as scared of elephants as Andy, but I do believe they do need you need to pay them some healthy respect. keep a bit of distance.
Yeah.
How many pairs of shorts do you have? Only 2, hey?
Had 3.
I had 3. Andy had 3. Now he's got 2. I've only got 1. So I have to wear my swimming costume when I'm having my washing done. Okay, that was good. A little bit frustrating. Andy spotted the main Marsh Pride, the females and the cubs, and we went in and we were watching them, and we saw one little cub just running past, but it didn't come out again. Then a lot more vehicles arrived, so we were getting a bit kind of stuck. So we decided no, we'd go back to the big males we saw earlier. We went back to where they were, and they had disappeared. So we assumed they were heading towards Rhino Flay for a drink, so we went there, and we were told they were on their way, but then they didn't rock up. So we went back again. Eventually we did find them, and they just walked a few hundred meters and flopped back down under a bush. So not very exciting. Then we decided we'd quickly go check on the lionesses and cubs, and they were gone. So now we're heading home. Well, but we know where, go right here. We know where the Marsh Pride is for tomorrow morning. We're gonna go home, cook some pasta for dinner. Exciting. And then get to bed early because we're tired. Good night.